Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedies.
Friends, in that video I'm going to show you in 5 minutes turn dark lips to pink, and naturally with very simple ingredients at home you can get rid of dark lips and cracked lips as well, and you can soften your lips and get them pink naturally without any side effects. With all natural simple ingredients at home you can get rid of dark lips that you have during smoking. This magical remedy works to get you pinkish lips naturally without any side effects with all natural ingredients. Let's get to the remedy. The first ingredient we need is hibiscus flowers or hibiscus herb, and this herb is super effective in getting rid of dark lips naturally. We need to place it on a stove in a pan and boil it for 5 minutes like that, my friends. As you can tell, I boiled around 3 teaspoons of hibiscus herb or hibiscus flowers. And I'm going, after they cool down, you need to leave it until it cools down and then strain it. You need to add around just 20 ml of water because we don't need that much. We need it to become super red. Then, my friends, we need to add the magical ingredient, which is 1 teaspoon of Johnson baby oil. And Johnson baby oil will moisturize your lips naturally and will get you an amazing result. Add just 1 teaspoon of Johnson baby oil. Then we need 1 lemon, and cut the lemon in half like so. Lemon high in vitamin C and lightening the skin naturally. We need to add few drops of lemon juice. Then we need to add aloe vera gel, and here I have the aloe vera gel is market aloe vera gel, but you can use natural aloe vera gel from plant. Add just ½ teaspoon of aloe vera gel. Now we need to mix well all the ingredients until they combine and get very well mixed together. Once you mixed and combined all the ingredients, our magical remedy is ready. How to apply it? With an aid of a small little cotton ball, dip in the cotton ball into the remedy like so and apply on your lips. Massage the lips with it like so. And it's going to lighten the lips naturally for you. You will get pinkish lips from first use. You will notice a great results, my friends. Keep applying for 5 minutes and you will be amazed with the result. It is super effective in lightening dark lips and get you pink lips naturally.
So that was it, guys, today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those. That will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.